Hello friends, today we will study about the string, that what's the importance of string and why we are using string in Python. So let's start. String in Python are surrounded by either single quotation, these are the single quotation marks, or double quotation, these are the double quotation marks. There is an example written over there, hello, it is written in single quotation marks is the same as double quotation mark hello. So you can display a string literally with a print function. When we are going to print anything on the screen, we use the print function. I have been already told you in previous video. There is a written example of single quotation mark and also double quotation mark. I have written here print function, and under the brackets I have written hello in the single quotation marks, same as in the double quotation mark. When I run it, it will be displayed on the screen. Now I will tell you that how to assign a value to variable. Just like this, I have written over there example a is a variable. I have assigned this value into a variable. So here I want to print it. Okay, so just it has been printed out. So just like this, you can print the data on the screen. So now a multi-line strings, you can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using 3 quotes. 3 quotes can be a single quotations or double quotations. First of all, 3 double quotations. Here over there I have written the 3 double quotations here, and at the end I have written 3 double quotations here. If you want to print the whole paragraph or any other things on the screen, you have to follow this way. So run it, you can see the multiple lines have been printed. Just like this, there are single quotations. So how can we use this way? At the same way we can use them, just you have to give single quotations mark. Just print it out. See, the code has been run. Now if you want to check the index in the string, so how can you say? Just I have to write a variable equals to Ali Solangi. So now I want to check index, that which letter at which index. So print A. Now I have to give index. Always keep in mind that index start from the 0 and end over the limitation, whatever you have given the limit. So I want to check which is the letter on the 0 position. So 0. If I run it, see, this is A. So now it has been print. A is at the 0 place. So now if I want to check at the 5, so it will run 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 is at the 5 index number. So now I want to check the indexing another way. So same way, it is also same way if you want to check or any other thing in a string, just like here, welcome. This is another example of this, welcome to university. So check it out that which letter is at what index number. So here I want to check that 9. Which letter is at the 9 index number. So if I run it, see, this. So like this, you have to follow the index and try to make your programs on. If you have any question, you can ask me directly. So now I want to find the length of this. What is the length of this? So how can I find? Just write here len and write there the A, and it will be all the checked what is the length of all this string value till that. So it tells us that how much is length of your sentences. So we can find easily length of the statement. If I give you another example, so I write here any other Ali Solangi. So I want to check the length of this word. This string will be checked by me by using a length function, LE. So what is the length of this? 10. This whole sentence is a length of 8. Okay, 8 characters. So just like you can try yourself and hope so you will get the right answers. And checking the string, we are finding and checking. There are two ways. Finding is this. It tells the length, how many letters or characters are there. Now we will check the some values in string. How can we check? Okay, I show you here, and now I will write here A, just like this, A. Now I will write in A. So if I print it, true. Now if there is no any kind of value, if you write here, then it will be result in false. So just like this, J. If I give there a J, so it will be printed false. See here, false. If there is a value in sentence or statement, if you want to find that, you can find that with check statement, means in tells you that is it available there or not. So another example of not. So I have taken this line of code here. So I want to write here not. What will be output of this? True. The output will be true because we have used here not. It means that J in this A available, J is available in this not. J is not available there. So that's why I am getting a true value. So I hope so that you like this video and you can understand well. If you have any question, you can direct contact me. Otherwise, you can ask me in the comments. You have also my number shared on the link. You can direct contact me if you have any kind of query. Thanks for watching.